Am I doing it correctly? What should I do to manifest my desires? Should I do this or that? I watched a success story where she manifested her desire by scripting. Should I try this? I have seen many such questions in the comment sections of my and other creators' videos. Everyone is confused regarding the right way to manifest things. Also, it is my work to help my audience by making things easier for them. So, today I am sharing a golden nugget with you. It is very simple and the only correct answer to all your questions. Do what makes you feel natural. Do what feels great to you. Do what makes you feel at ease. You can do techniques if that helps you in achieving the state of wish fulfilled. Does affirmation feel natural to you? Go ahead, apply it. Are SATs a game changer for you? Yes, do it. The point here is to start applying this knowledge, suspending your doubts and staying in the state of wish fulfilled. Stop asking others or giving some stupid reasons about why techniques are bad and affirmations are good. There is no such thing as bad or good. Everything is a creation of yours. If affirmations help you, just do it. Stop blaming your limitations and start experiencing your reality. No one in this world can tell you what is the right way for you. Not even another YouTuber or me. Not even your friends, because all of them are just presenting you with your assumptions. Yes, you heard it right. It is about the law of assumption. If you assume something to be right, it will appear right. All evidence will be presented to you, and you will believe it. For those who are new to Neville's teachings, just read his books, link in the comment section. It does not matter what your friend says or a YouTuber tells you. If that does not resonate with you, don't do it. Is someone saying to you that SATs only work? No honey, many things work, and among them is SATs. SATs is discussed by Neville many times because he was an artist, and that enhances his visual capability. All theater artists will get this point. You can choose anything. You can set your own rules. All the stories you hear or read are just people telling what helped them. It's good if it resonates with you, but if it don't, just leave it. Don't try to point out if it is morally good or bad, because if it manifested, it is manifested through higher self. Only your higher self knows what's good or bad. In my opinion, only faith matters. If you are faithful to your assumptions and you are clear about what you want, it starts showing up. I too have wasted so much time because after knowing this law, one day I felt like to manifest a specific car, then next moment I saw some other car and I thought let's manifest this, and it continues. So, be clear, clarity matters the most. Once it shows up, then try the other stuff because you will feel confident. Neville himself told in several of his lectures that we are operant power. When you are operant power, why others' hurtful opinions matter. You can ignore them. If something works for you, just do it. Every other video and story is saying the same thing in many different ways, and you know why. It is because we are all unique. Something resonates with someone, and something don't, but you are not to judge another. If it doesn't work for you, it is because in the end, only your assumptions are what creating your reality. You are just wearing sunglasses that is showing you either rainbows or storms, but the cool thing, you get to choose the ones you want to wear because you are the operant power. Many people will give you advice. If you would do this, then you will get it. They are not wrong. They are telling their own experiences. Just take this simple little thing with you. Do what you want to do, as long as you get into that state of relaxation where you know that the desires is yours. Once you know it internally, that it is yours, no one can stop it from being manifested. Just be honest with yourself, whether you applying it or only hearing it. Stop listening to those that says, oh, but it cannot happen. It does not matter to you, as the person that is saying this believes it is impossible for them. They are telling their limitations. The fact that it appeared in your imagination means it exists. Creation is finished. You are just shifting realities and getting into the place where you have the thing, circumstance, person you once desired. To conclude, there is no correct or incorrect way to do it. The correct way is the one you assume to be. You set your own rules. Only you experience what you feel inside. Only you know your limitations and power. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Happy manifesting.